Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Luna has been able to destroy about 2.68 billion, that is 2,680,000,000 coins of Terra Classic has been destroyed in the past 30 days. Wow, this is amazing to see Terra Classic destroying about 2.67. Now remember, in that past 30 days, Binance was able to burn close to 800 million, which means Terra Classic have been able to destroy about 1.8 million coins coming from other burning portal apart from Binance. This is amazing. 2,680,000,000 coins in 30 days. Wow, I'm happy to see, even though despite Terra Classic facing a lot of low trading volume, a lot of low trading market cap, people pulling out their capital, their investment on Terra Classic, but yet they were able to pull out 2.68 billion coins in 30 days. I mean, this is amazing, because I remember about 3 months ago when Terra Classic was still trading with a market cap that's higher than what they have right now, with a trading volume that is higher than what they are trading with now. But they were able to pull out, nothing closer to this. I think it was almost 1.8 billion coins. But I was surprised to see that even though we have recorded high trading, low trading volume, but they're able to pull and destroy 2.68 billion. What does this mean? Does it mean that there is hope? Does it mean that Terra Classic can one day start burning 10 to 20 billion coins in just 1 week? Can Terra Classic destroy 50 to 100 billion coins in 1 month? Because if they can ever achieve that record, they can ever burn such number of coins in 1 month, I believe in 2 years, Terra Classic holders will be smiling. In 2 years, the value of what you have will multiply in hundreds. But we know it is not easy. But I think I'm surprised to see that in the period of 30 days, in the period of 1 month, they were able to burn close to 2.7 billion. So I hope to see them keep on improving. They need to keep on at this standard, even improve more than what they are burning right now. So let's assume they start burning at least over 5 billion coins. Let's assume another extra 100% of what they are burning right now. If they can do that, I think it will help Terra Classic to stand. It will help Terra Classic to regain themselves, even though it's not going to push Luna to the top, or it's not going to push Luna to delete 1.0 soon. But I believe it will be the starting point for Terra Classic journey back to where it was. At least I remember Luna was able to reach 0.00084. Okay, and imagine Luna right now pumping back to where it was. It means Terra Classic is going to hit over 800 or 900%. With that, you make it from a lot of profit even without Terra Classic hitting 1 cent or deleting 2 zeros. So there's a possibility, but I still believe some people that are still holding Terra Classic still believe on this coin. But for me, my belief on Terra Classic is just 50-50. Yes, 50% chances it will happen, 50% chances it will not. But once again, let's hope to see more burning start coming from Terra Classic. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.